Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender inside Windows 10. So when you see your desktop right here, just click on the bottom left, the start icon, and then just type in Defender. And then click on the first result, the Windows Security. And once that pops up, click on Virus and Threat Protection. And then from here, under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. And then you could just turn off everything and it will have a pop-up confirming that you want to turn them off. And that is it. That is how you turn off Windows Defender within Windows 10. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any issues.